Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about word power. In this chapter you will learn about idioms, proverbs and words followed by prepositions. Idioms. First of all, I want to know that what is idioms. Idioms are expressions which are commonly used in everyday conversation. The meaning of an idiom is different from the meanings of its individual words. It means an idiom is a word or phrase which means something different from its verbal meaning. It is used in everyday conversation. Read these idioms with their meaning. These are the idioms and their meanings. First is eager beaver. It means very enthusiastic and hardworking. Enthusiastic means utsahi. It means a keen and enthusiastic person who works very hard. Second is let the cat out of the bag. It means reveal a secret, or we can say that reveal facts previously hidden. Third is a red rag to a bull. It means so say or do something that makes someone very angry. It means is that it is certain to make a particular person or group very angry. Fourth is cut a long story short. It meaning is be precise, or we can say that it indicates that you are going to state the final result of an event and not give any more details. Match the idioms in column A with their meanings in column B. One has been done for you. These are the matches of idioms with their meanings. Let's try to do it. First is like a bear with a sore head. Its meaning is very irritated. Second is like a bull in a china shop. Its meaning is make mistake or damage things. Third is laugh up your sleeves. It means have a secret laugh at someone's problems. Fourth is hold the fort. It means take care of an organization or business when the person in charge is away. Fifth is paddle one's own canoe. It means do something without anyone's help or interference. Sixth is put the cart before the horse. Its meaning is do something in the wrong order. Seventh is on cloud 9. It means very happy. And the last is make a beeline for last is go directly for something. Now proverbs. Proverbs. What is proverbs? A proverb is a short saying that expresses a general truth or wisdom. Proverbs are generally passed on from one generation to another and have become a part of everyday conversation. The advice given in proverb is usually based on experience or a traditionally held truth. It means a short, well known sentence or phrase that gives advice or says that something is generally true in life. These are the proverbs. First is a friend in need is a friend indeed. It means it is a phrase that describes the most important characteristics of a true friend. The phrase means that a true friend is the one who helps someone at a time of need. Second is charity begins at home. हिंदी मीनिंग इज दयालुता अपने से ही चालू होती है. Or we can say that a person first responsibility is for the needs of their own family and friends. Third is make hay while the sun shines. It means to take action while a situation is favorable. Fourth is a little knowledge is a dangerous thing. It means a person is sharing his views with others and doesn't have enough knowledge of a particular subject, especially medical, religion, or education field. It can lead to dangerous situations. Fourth is coming events cast their shadow before. It means when something is about to happen, we know them beforehand. We get symptoms. Sixth is half a loaf is better than no bread. It means something is better than nothing, even if it is less than one wanted. These are the proverbs, and you have to complete it. These are the proverbs in match form, and you will complete the proverb. First is nothing ventured. It means you will complete it with nothing gained. Second word is prevention. Its answer is better than cure. Third is the proof of the pudding is in the eating. Fourth is the early bird. The early bird proverb will complete by catches the worm. Fifth is birds of a feather flock together. Sixth is you can take a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. Seventh is a fool and his money are soon parted. Eighth is still waters run deep. Thank you.